Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Today we are going to talk about the top 7 rarest Triumphs ever produced. Stick around. Topping off our list at number 7 is the 1955 T100R. In 1955, Triumph unveiled the T100R, the first factory racer since the days of the Grand Prix Triumph of 1947 to 1950. Built in a limited production of only 130 bikes and 10 spare engines, the T100R was available to all and not only the factory racers. This new motorcycle was designed for U.S. competition under Formula C flat track rules. With the AMA's stamp of approval, this racer featured an 8:1 compression ratio, dual ammo carburetors, crossover exhaust pipes fitted with inverted cone megaphones, dirt track front hub, Dunlop tires 18 at the rear and 20-inch at the front, a Dunlop racing saddle, and an 8,000 RPM Smith's tachometer. Available for the upcoming race season, the Triumph Tiger T100R listed for $829 US at 4 locations: Pasadena, California, Baltimore, Maryland, Seattle, Washington, and Houston, Texas. At number 6 on our list is the 1956 Triumph TR5R. In 1956, the Triumph Trophy TR5R came into being at the request of U.S. distributors. The U.S. market-only TR5R was produced with 106 bikes and 6 spare engines. The 1956 TR5R was based on a normal swing arm trophy. However, it sported a red seal engine, which meant it was fitted with twin carburetors, race-type camshafts, high compression pistons, and several other factory performance options. Each engine was bench tested before installation, certifying a minimum base horsepower. To make the best use of the tuned engine, downswept exhaust pipes terminating in a pair of reverse cone megaphones were fitted. The TR5R features a smaller, quick detachable chrome headlight and brackets, with separate Smith's chromatic speedo and rev counter. It also sported factory race kit rear set foot pegs. At a price of $947 US, these machines were designed to compete in Daytona and Laconia in the upcoming race season. At number 5 on our list, we have the 1958 Triumph TR5AD. The Triumph Trophy TR5AD was launched in 1958 as a US-only market motorcycle. The TR5AD came with a special twin carburetor head nicknamed Delta Head. This new head was debuted in 1957 as a factory purchasable option. The TR5AD was a road sports model that used a 498cc air-cooled 4-stroke overhead valve vertical twin engine, which produced 25 horsepower. It came with the E3134 cams, tachometer drive timing cover, Lucas K2FR magneto, and listed 2 376 ammo carburetors for the splayed head. There were only 105 TR5AD motorcycles produced and were only available from Tricor in Baltimore, Maryland for $1,048 US. Next up on our list is number 4, the 1957 T100RS. By 1957, America's raced and raced a lot. They enjoyed trials, events, desert racing, drag racing, and of course road racing circuits like Daytona and Laconia. And Triumphs proved to be hugely successful at them all. For 1956, the road racers became the TR5R, but that returned to the T100RS for 1957. Armed with the new Delta head and 5-gallon tank stolen from the Thunderbird model, the T100RS was a sprung suspension track racer. Only 66 T100 RS models were built in 1957 that featured alloy engines with 9-to-1 compression pistons, E31-34 cams, new dual carb heads, rubber-mounted T15 GP1 carbs with the large 30211 remote float, Lucas racing magneto, and an old pattern tack drive. These motorcycles retailed for $947 US in 1957. Featured at number 3 on our list is the 1957 T100RR. 1957 was a year packed with rare Triumph machines. The T100RR, a flat track version of the number 4 bike from this list. When an order came in for either the road racer T100RS or a flat tracker, the T100RR, the engines were built into swing arm or rigid frames with appropriate exhaust, oil and fuel tanks, wheels and brakes, fenders, seats, and gearbox. The T100RR was a rigid-framed race bike designed specifically to compete straight out of the crate in the AMA Class C dirt track meets. Many of these bikes found their way to competing on drag strips in the late 1950s. There were only 50 1957 T100RR motorcycles built and could be purchased for $921 US. Coming in at number 2 on our top 7 most rare Triumphs produced is the 1957 T100 Twin Carb. In 1957, the T100 production road-going model sporting the two-tone paint scheme of Meridian Blue and Ivory was the first Triumph to feature the new Delta head. The T100 carried a front fork shrouded in Triumph's black nacelle. This motorcycle featured a 948cc twin-cylinder engine with a bore and stroke of 63mm by 80mm. The cylinder block was cast iron painted silver, but the head was light alloy with overhead push rod valves operated by E31-34 camshafts. The compression ratio was 9-to-1, and the motor was fed by twin 1-inch bore Amel Type 376/66 carbs with 210 main jets. The claimed horsepower was 32 at 6,500 RPMs. There were only 28 T100 twin carb models produced. With such a limited production amount, little can be found on the purchase price of these elusive machines. Wrapping up our list at number 1, the 1957 TR5R. The 1957 Triumph TR5R is the rarest Triumph machine produced. Produced only for the American market, it bridged the gap between the T100C production road bike to the all-out racing machine, the T100 RS. Just like the 1956 TR5R, the 1957 TR5R features a smaller, quick detachable chrome headlight and brackets, with separate Smith's chromatic speedo and rev counter. Like the 1956 model, it also received the factory race kit rear foot pegs. The TR5R was fitted with an alloy front mud guard rather than the deeper valenced steel guard on the production bike. The TR5R has the Delta head but fed by twin TT carbs with a central float bowl, and also sports the K2FR racing magneto. The front wheel sports the standard air-scooped 8-inch diameter single leading front brake. Produced only in 21 bikes, 11 having the twin carb Delta head and 10 with the single carb cylinder head, this is the rarest of all Triumph motorcycles produced. In 1957, a TR5R could be purchased for $956 US. Well guys, that wraps up our list of the top 7 rarest Triumphs ever produced. I'm excited about this list because I own one of these motorcycles. Has it been featured on the channel? Maybe it has, maybe it hasn't. You will be finding that information out really soon, as we are going to be unveiling that motorcycle as our next full restoration project. So with that, we thank you guys for hanging out here. It's all because of you that we can make super cool videos like this one. So if you are new around here, jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here at Weems Motor Co. Peace.